Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can take Doodle screenshot in your phone Vivo Y16. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take Doodle screenshot. So here I go to Google Chrome web page and I search something like facultyon.com, and this page itself I would like to take Doodle screenshot. To do Doodle screenshot, go to the notification area and click on S capture, and here click on funny screenshot icon, and under funny screenshot you will see three options, and here you have to pick last option, Doodle screenshot. Just click on Doodle screenshot and see the instruction content in the doodled area will be captured. So you have to do doodle. Okay, so just doodle like this. The way you do is so funny, so it's called as funny screenshot. Yes, this doodled area will be the screenshot. Yes, I stopped and click on save. Wow, what a funny. Click over the image, and if you want to edit, yes, you can use editing tool too. Finally click on save after editing. To locate the screenshot, that is to do screenshot, just go to files smartphone, go to files, then go to internal storage, then go to pictures and go to screenshots, and here you will see screenshots saved showing that just now. Okay, click it, and yes, this is the screenshot that I took. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.